4 lakhs for RFID and supply chain tech, 1 lakh for communication brand and branding, 4 lakhs for volunteers, and still we have a contingency reserve of $2 lakh. In total, it is $25 lakh. We also calculated solution feasibility. Our first solution was integration of technology, which we got 68% feasibility. Our second solution was human resource development, where we got 80% feasibility. And our last solution we got, it was supply chain optimization, where we got also 68% feasibility. And last but not the least, we also calculated, we also measured the impact of our 3 big ideas. Our first big idea was technological integration and data connectivity roadmaps developed foundation. What are the positive impact of our big idea 1? Our big idea 1's positive impacts are reliable infrastructure, ensuring that centralization and innovative fiscal interconnection from future scalability. It has also some challenges, or you can say negative sides. What are the negative sides? If we look at it, we can say what was the skill gaps is the negative side. Also, cybersecurity vulnerability is another negative gap. Also, the second one we got in our big idea 2 was human resource and workforce development strategy. It also has some positive side and negative sides, like our big idea 1. So, what are the positive sides? If we look at our positive side, it has upskill employers, foster digital readiness, and aligned talent with Industry 4.0 needs. The negative sides are like few, just like big idea 1. It has some training costs, difficulty attracting or retaining digitally skilled talents. Our last big idea was supply chain optimization and resilience strategy. The positive impacts are it has enhances efficiency, also it has visibility and agility through digitalization and real-time data integration. And the last was challenges. In this section, we have high implement cost and data security risks. That's all from our side. Hopefully you liked it. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for your
So you have identified problems and sometimes you have come up with innovative solutions. So you have suggested to source the raw materials from local suppliers or local sources. Do you think that this kind of strategy can optimize the supply chain and can make your supply chain more resilient? If you just only rely on your local sources, and in cases if you don't get the raw materials that you need from your local sources, in cases, so what would be the alternatives to make a solution?
Thank you, sir. To be honest, it's a very beautiful question and a timely question for our pharmaceutical industry. In your slides, you mentioned we will take raw materials from our local suppliers, which will need a transparency. Okay, our local suppliers doesn't have the quality skills now to produce the raw materials we need. But and also.
You know that raw material manufacturers sometimes also need natural fat. What you are thinking? Definitely we have to improve technology.
Partnership with other countries.
I got. So investment is okay for development and to invest, you need industry in beside of the Nada Textile Engineering College. Okay, I am investing 5 crore. So this is okay, or I am giving the investment. So this is okay.
No, sir. Investment is not okay. We also need the technologies that are in this country not have. That's why we are proposing a contract.
Who will give technology? Who will give?
Sir, we need technology from technology from the countries which are leading in textile sector.
We have to improve. We have to improve.
Yes,
Because
sir.
technology, you are always asking from China. China, please give me technology to develop here. China is easily giving you. Okay, I am giving technology and my business will be shut down. Nobody can give the business. Am I right? So we have to learn. We have to make the technology. You know, since 100 years ago, China, they have no any technology. They don't take the technology from America, Europe or other countries. They own capacity and they make. They set the mentality. Yes, I set the mentality, I need to improve. I do it, I learn it, and I achieve it. So we have to improve from our university level. Yes, university level for group study, technology, making, chatting, and everything. This is need to improve from our root level. So government definitely give the suggestion, government give me investment, but we have to change our mentality to make the technology by own way and develop our own. That will fine. Thank you so very much.
Obviously, sir, and may I add something with you, sir? If you may.
Yes.
Sir, we don't have the technology of RFID tags in Bangladesh, but 3 years ago, a group named APS has manufactured the RFID technology, and which is 5% more efficient and 10% more productive than other countries. So basically, we think we are not that much far behind. We are so close, but we need that motivation. We need that. Manpower, skilled manpower, and we need that passion to build this thing. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
My question is how you can integrate AI with supply chain and what's the plan of yours regarding waste management?
Can you repeat, sir, question?
How you can integrate artificial intelligence with supply chain management and what's about your plan about waste management? Waste management.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your question. Your first question was how we can implement AI with our supply chain. In our Big Idea 3, we proposed two sections. The first section was real-time tracking, and in real-time tracking, we implement barcode and RFID tags for our material. Sometimes the buyer needs to know what is going on, what is going on with our production and how is the process, and also what's the current state. If we show them the barcode or RFID tag, with the cloud system that we mentioned in our Big Idea 1, with the cloud system, they can know the process or what is going through sitting in their country. And also we have introduced AI-driven tools. What is AI-driven tools will help us? AI-driven tools will predict the shipping adjustment, and also it will give us the plan by calculating our processes and the production and it will deploy an adjusted solution, or you can say an adjusted schedule for us. That's what AI do. And the second question on waste management. We know in technology a lot of waste we get, and they are very harmful for our environment. And if we want to eradicate those, we need some type of plans to eradicate those. But in AI, it is mainly software related, and that's why I think it will not create any waste by driving our production or our processes by AI.
Okay, got it.
Okay, that's all. They have done well, and now I am inviting another test team named Next Gen Squad from General Engineering College. Next Gen Squad from General Engineering College to showcase their participation and case presentation from in front of us.
Hello everyone and good morning brothers. Hope all are doing very well. Really honored to have the opportunity to speak in front of you. At the same time, feeling so great to be a part of this game's preparation finale. With the next squad, myself, Nasir Mobuda, in the middle, this is Saddam Cheese, and in the corner, this is Nakul Shah, who all from the Textile Engineering College. Imagine this auditorium of factory, built in 1995. Now, standing at the edge of digital revolution, where machines looming and data flowing and a team racing against time. Do you know what the story is? That's the story of Smart Wave Textile. Yes, a company that is ready to win not just fabric but the future. And who in the next expert are here to guide them from legacy looks to industrial 4.0 leadership. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start. To make the whole scenario understandable, we have said agenda and divided the whole thing in some segments as you can see in the segment. So moving to the next slide, company overview. Smart Wave Textile is the company, Bangladeshi mid-sized woven fabric manufacturer with 1,200 workers and 100,000 of production that dominate the European market. But still 70% of their looms are purely mechanical and they are purely mechanical and their looms are kind of their ERP system is lacking behind. So moving to the next slide, we have done industrial analysis. Moving to the next slide, we have done industrial analysis. As you can see, the category in the pie chart as well as in the table. So let's break down the landscape. So a large workforce means production for automation. Then a critical breakdown event over 80,000 meters per day is like gives the critical efficiency, gives you critical efficiency, and cash reserve for 2.5 million gives you rooms for smart investment. But the legacy system and your poor integrated will hamper the system. So through the industry analysis, we can say that with proper integration within 1.5 or 2 years, the smart textile will recover its investment. So moving to the next slide, we have done SWOT analysis. As you can see that we have find out the implements, potentials and barriers to make them clear idea of goals and challenges. So in the SWOT analysis, we can say the strengths are our reputation in US markets, the cash reserve, then is our 30% semi-automatic. In the weaknesses are our ERP and main disconnect, then cybersecurity gaps and resistance of acquisition and resistance. In the opportunity, we can say that our green technology grants IA tools and leg improvements to Southwest. And the threats are global slowdown, cost rising, and our by definition. So from the SWOT analysis, we can say that we have now a clear idea of our goals and challenges. So moving to the next slide, we can easily skip the slide. So please skip. Yeah, we have short time. Now we have identified the problems in 4 categories. So the categories are technology and cybersecurity, workforce, cyber dependence, and finance. As you can see, the problem is technology and cybersecurity is like low digital maturity, ERP, interoperability. In the workforce, you can see that the skill gap, cultural resistance, and in the supply chain dependence, you can see the problems are like poor traceability, geopolitics effects. In the finance, you can see that the problems are like weak ROI, global economic slowdown, insufficient finance management. So now we have the clear idea of our 4 problems. Now we have the solutions of every single problem. So moving to the next slide. So moving to the next slide, we have solutions for technology and cybersecurity. So here you can see we have 3 alternative solutions for technology and cybersecurity. In the first alternative is zone-based IoT rollout with middleware base, where we have to put some sensors in the loops and with gateways and use Apache Alpha and Node-RED to bridge the data legacy ERP and set a target over 19% and stop the cybersecurity. In the alternative 2, we have done cloud-first based via SaaS subscription. That means we have to subscribe a base SaaS platform with building the connectors to cellular IP gateways and vendor handles integrate the system, and the AI dashboard will predict the machine failure and quality. And in the last the alternative 3, we have done digital pre-driven testing, where we have to make a virtual replica of 10 loops and 9 loops for solution and use findings to optimize the regular optimization. So moving to the next slide, we have done. Yes. Now we have the solution for lean finance extension. Here we have also two alternative ways. The first alternative was ROI gated modular rollout plus dynamic forecasting, and alternative 2 is consulting, financing and AI cost system. So in the alternative one, we have divided industry 4.0 implementation in 3 segments. They fixed the budget for everything and ensure that every module get the more than 10% ROI. Then we invest in the next one. So we will have a AI forecasting where we will see the ultimate and we can predict the future that is already shown in the table. And in the next slide, in the next computer, we have joined with 3 textile farms to avoid cost forecasting on gateways, mail integration and cybersecurity. 345,000 in year, and we have also teamwork grants and